Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I have another unboxing video for you guys today. As we can see, it is from GBRS. Alright guys, so as we can see here, we have some items to plug holes. So first off, GBRS gave some stickers with us, and these two over here look like the Hydra mount that they offer. So that basically elevates a red dot sight up here so that it is eye level and you don't have to really squish your cheek down. And then you can put a laser, an aiming laser or light or whatever to put on there to co-witness, and then obviously one of their logo. But anyways, on to the good stuff. So here we have a IFAK, so individual first aid system, IFAS. I used to call these IFAKs. I guess they change them or relabel them, whatever. But basically this will loop through your MOLLE system, or you can loop the belt through these little vertical pieces right here. So here you can see this top piece, you can throw a tourniquet in there. Nice clip. This is your belt mounting solution, or this is your MOLLE mounting solution, and then these holes, vertical holes here, are for a belt mounted solution. See these, and then you just web them through here in the back, and then opens up, and this is nice and stretchy, but this is rigid, which is good. One thing I really liked about this IFAK or IFAS system over others is that it's a little bit on the taller end, which is fine, because when you're sitting down with a war belt, you want something flat first off, or I prefer something flat up against my back. And a little bit of height is nice too, because it kind of pushes up against your plate carrier and relieves some of that weight bearing off your shoulders. And then the other thing I have is the Focus Research Group Expedition Trauma Kit. They sell this on their website as well. Typically, if you can't find this on their website, Focus Research, they have them in stock, so you can just go straight to them. It's going to be the same price either way. Focus also has some pretty other interesting innovations. They have other first aid trauma kits that can actually fit where the plate carrier is supposed to go, as you can see here in these. But this one is going to go straight into here. And what I like about it is that it already comes in a bag all sealed off, so that everything inside is sterile. So nothing's going to be dirty until you actually open this up. And there looks like a TCCC card. Yep, your Tactical Combat Casualty Care card. So this basically, you can write down all this information and pass it on to the next level of care. But all this basically fits in here. And this is nice and stretchy, so you can shove everything in there. And then I'll have to get another tourniquet to fit in the top. But doing this, everything fits nice and snug. I'll have to get another tourniquet for the top, and then tuck this in here. So, but that's basically it. One big thing you have to remember, as cool as it is to make holes, you have to be able to plug your own holes as well. But that's the end of the video for today. Please comment, like, subscribe, let me know what you'd like to see next. And as always, stay safe, guys.